Hi, I'm Elaine Sanchez. While getting dressed to visit a friend who had just moved into assisted living, I stared at my closet and thought, how can I have nothing to wear when this space is packed? That's when it hit me that I had been hanging on to old clothes that were worn out, outdated, or no longer fit. So I started the big purge. First it was clothes, then it was old files and papers that I didn't need anymore. But I didn't stop there. I realized I had also been holding on to some emotional baggage that no longer served me. Things like resentments, regrets, fears, and a couple of grudges. So now I'm purging those too. And here's my mantra. If it is not useful, beautiful, or uplifting, it's out. And that brings me to today's Caregiver Help Thought of the Day. I release what no longer serves me, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Clearing spaces allows healing, hope, and peace to flow in.